Okay, so I know you done ran into this problem. Right? This is just a quick video. So, first thing I try is my little strong grip thing. And this is what I use when I have something in my hand that's slippery. So, still not working. Of course, if that don't work, the towel won't work. So, what I do is I take my handy dandy crafting knife. Yes, a butter knife, but work with me, okay? Work with me. So I take my handy dandy crafting knife. Sorry about that. I'm about to knock the video over. Okay, so, and I put it up under the top, and what I do is kind of lift it up, put it up under the top, kind of lift it up. What I'm doing is breaking the glue seal on it. Now, to keep it from doing that, I don't know why I didn't do this. I used the clean. You can see I used the clean around there. But I evidently didn't do it good enough because you see all that glue there? So I clean this glue off. Make sure you clean it off as good as you can. And the glue actually just peels off. And then run Vaseline around here and around here. That way it won't form a seal. I don't know how I did this. But yeah, that's my quick tip for you. That's how you open up glue that's stuck. And if you have, you can do it for little glue bottles too. I do it the same way for like my Gorilla Glue. I use like a fingernail file or something. Make sure you don't jab yourself. This crafting knife, yeah, butter knife. I had a serrated tip that way, and as I go up under it, I make sure I'm not gonna let it slip or whatever. But I want to give you that tip because I'm getting ready to start this new project that we're going over. Not that we're going over, that I'll be putting up within the next couple of days. And I'm actually gonna start by gluing these books together a certain way. Now, I know everybody saw the table books. I got to take it up a notch. You know I got to take it up a notch. So I haven't exactly decided what I'm going to do. But I'm going to start by gluing these shut. And I have several more. I just got to figure out what I'm going to do. But that's your tip. How to open up them stuck glue bottles. And another tip. This is a very important one. Don't let it get stuck again. Clean around it and put some Vaseline around it and you won't have that problem again. All right, that's it.